So now let's go for the new game. So this is the basketball game. Here we will develop how to develop the game of the basketball. Okay, so you have to make a game in such a way that the hand will push the ball and it should go to the basket. Okay, so what functions we have, let's discuss that. So move left, move right. So there is an arrow, so you can use the keyboard arrow or the arrow available here. This and this can be used to control the hand to basket the ball. So when you press the arrow left, so the hand should move left, and when you press right, it should move right. So this is clear. When ball hit the player, so this is the player hand. So when it hit the ball, what should happen? Ball should bounce. So bounce the ball. So now we can give the sound of bounce. So we can keep it here so that we can see it properly. So let's take all the commands at upper side so that you can see it properly. Now when ball hit the wall, what should happen? It should also again bounce, because then only you can again collect the ball, and you can give the sound of bounce again. Now when ball in the basket, it should score the point. So score the point. Any other? So basket scene you can change with the run. You can change the player hand, like hand structure, like you want this or this, anything you can get. So let's have this. Then anything we have, set basketball. Now uh, ball you can change, like which type of ball you want, hockey, soccer, or basket. So right now we are going with the basket, but you can change again. Basket, instead of basket you can go for football, hockey, and soccer. So we'll make each game. Okay, so here you will have the 4 projects in this game. So first is the basketball, second is the football, then hockey, then soccer. The 4 games you will make here. Okay, with this conditions, with this commands and program. Okay, and you will have to share me your 4 games here. So this way. Now the next is speed of the player. So like the movement of the hand you want to increase, so we can keep it around normal right now. Then you can change speed of the ball. You can keep it